Let me take the honor to introduce our esteemed clients, Mahalakshmi ma'am and Vidak Natarajan sir. How did you come across our company, Longitude Constructions?
Through we Google to YouTube and various other, we just came to know Longitude Construction. So this process we started the way we construct, why we purchased this site. So during that time when we were ruling it for various customers. So then we finalized like three groups actually. Around the Friday we finalized Longitude. Then that is how we came.
So ma'am, like what was your the pick points for you guys to finalize us? Like obviously you have thoughts in mind, right?
As my husband was telling, when we finalized this site, we were looking around builders. That time Longitude, they approached us when I was going to their website. And few things what I saw with Longitude was like how long they are in this field and what on field, and they made lots of properties around Koramangala side. And one more thing I also noticed that your balance sheet, your financial position was good, where mostly other companies doesn't have. Since we are going to be big, we are going to give so much of money to you guys, we have to see how stable your liquidation was. So that is how we chose Longitude. We also liked other people, mostly they were like one man RE. So we didn't want to believe them because one person handling 20 projects and all. So we thought somewhere our house construction will be delayed. So we wanted a company where they have an hierarchy with different stages. So that is why we chose.
After signing up with this, like how was the next process that you experienced?
After sign up, then we came to Longitude. I was very particular. I want to meet alone because I want to know who's handling my project. And then we had a formal introduction.
It was about it and China initiated coordinating is and secretaries from Divya. And they are the initial coordination they're doing. And that is how we just started it very few.
Now we'll come to the design and construction phase to know the feedback. How was the design phase? Is your thought being translated into reality?
Yes. In the entire process, I like the design phase a lot. It was quick. What we wanted was actually happening. It was putting up. And then we started to visualize our house. It gave us more confidence, and I was very excited during the design phase. I think it took around 2 to 3 months to finalize, and I was very sure I don't want a template house. Something different has to be there. So that's up this step. That's how we came to the split lemon cast the step up, and so this is how the design phase started. And whatever we wanted, you also helped us to put things in place. That phase I really enjoyed. That is something that I liked about Longitude. Wow.
And moreover, we specifically want the area are the rows we work spaces, and it should not be too specific or from those spaces. And it should be
average,
right how dimension is required, and those things have come out very well. And we're very happy about the dimensions what you got. Hardware.
When Mumbai is 1230, 40 side, people don't believe it. They say your hall is very big, and if you see in the house, nowhere we can see any mid place. You can't see any the P or anything. Your
column.
It's all complete.
So it's very neat, very well planned. Those things we really
appreciate.
Next, coming to the construction phase. So how do you, what was the experience in the construction phase? I'm just starting on ground.
Construction phase, entire engineers, supervisor Mr. Abhilash and Imran from Longitude, all are hit us lot, and they ensured that the construction goes smoothly. Even though there are some differences, but during the construction phase, because it went to Arabia construction, and they ensure that it's throughout the construction phase they are there, and they are responsive to all the queries what we ask, and any concerns we raise immediately the response to come from the team. At least one person will respond for the concerns, and their address is within immediately 1 or 2 days. That is the construction phase. Yes, construction phase is a very tough phase when the design phase, and there is a guarantee of surety is that Longitude team would be along with us, and they ensure that they would take us through the entire difficult task.
Process. to know how you were receiving updates on a daily basis and how the progress were monitored. Like your thoughts on that?
Usually one engineer might handle 2-3 projects, and sometimes what happens when they are cascading it to their levels, some isn't the way there. So see, in the beginning everything was there. During the end of the construction it became like we became a family. Yeah, and when the construction was over and when they finally handed over the project, I was like, okay, tomorrow we are going to see these guys, but on we're fighting. It's not like you never want to have face with them.
Yeah.
No, it was never like that. And I'm like, Abhilash, am I going to miss you? I come tomorrow. So it was like that. Yeah, so it was very nice.
And regarding the quality, what do you feel about it?
Quality is tool, and they ensure that the bike material what is as per the specification. They ensure that right which is provided, and they don't compromise on the quality. And throughout and even everything they will show us is the quality. We are going to use the cement quality or iron rod quality or whatever it may be.
Everything is there in the specifications. So do you think the client has to be more supervising the thing, whether it is the same what he had promised? So in that my husband was putting more of efforts. For example, the main purpose why we selected Longitude was for the brick. We didn't wanted that hollow blocks, okay. So because of brick we selected, and in the beginning they told brick is not good. So we told we will give you the contact of the brinker, you get the brick from there. So those things and all, Longitude was okay. I don't think if any other guys would have accepted. They said okay, if you want brick from this guy, we will procure it. We have to pay the extra cost because end of the day it is hand house. And then again, I think it's the steel, right? We had, when we told that in our specification we had this kind of steel, they immediately replaced it. So client has to be more cautious because we don't know how things are getting delays when it comes as a tea. So we have to be more cautious and see, lens through effect here. Whether the things are going properly or
Smoothly. Yes. Okay. So next we have the icebreaker segment. So there you can share your thoughts. What was your thought when you saw your finished house?
We are excited when we saw the house. The way how it was designed, almost we got to the exact dimension, everything, and even the time selection and the painting and the interior what we made everything now. I think it has come out perfect, and I think we are excited to see. Yes, almost we wish the reality what we are supposed to reach.
Yeah.
So we really have.
So it was not like expectation versus reality. It was now like a reality in
that was because we had in our mind that it has to be the same. If anything goes here and there, Longitude always helped us. Yeah. There were some changes. They had to break the certain walls and all. They never said no for anything, and they understood what we really wanted. And immediately the design team pitched in and they gave the reworking and everything. So I don't know about other construction if they would have done it like as what we wanted. We should have taken time and we would have spent extra bucks also. Still, what we wanted, we already had passed. Yeah, we got it.
So next is we had to add a character to your building. So what would you describe your place as?
And I think that stylish, modern way. It's unlike the other houses that's they constructed these days. It's more different. So it gives a very modern touch to this generation kind of a building, and it's a very stylish house compared to other lab of and it's very unique. So if you want me to describe it in a word, it's a very unique building.
Next, we all know that you had a grand housewarming. So what were the people's feedback there?
I mean, all of them were really excited in the first place. So they were really expecting for the function because it was a big thing or something for them. So they came and they were all very happy, and they also went happy. And even now, it's whenever we go meet them or when they call us, they really want to come over to our house, and
so the presentation is I
mean, they all love the house. Today, in fact, we met one of the relatives when we had been to the temple. They were also telling the end path is very good. Maybe they told that we don't find this kind of workmanship in their locality, but if you see the final output, they told it come out very good. Say the construction or the interior parts, what they told was like the workmanship was very good. I'm not exaggerating. It did happen to Renee.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, what is your favorite spot in the house or your go-to place?
Balcony in the first floor and Palgora,
The terrace.
terrace Palgora. These two is
My favorite spot is the courtyard.
I remember, Mom, right from the design stage, you wanted that spot be the main home spot. Yeah. For you, Ruchi?
For me, it's definitely my room. It's very, it's very open and spacious. And like direct sunlight comes over to my room, so that's like another good thing. Like my balcony is always open. My parents keep scolding me, like, because I also retirement forget to close it even in the nights, because it's also very, spacious and a lot of air keeps coming in, and it's like an amazing spot for me.
Yes, it was a lovely time having a chat with all of you. Especially, I don't feel like an architect when I'm with you guys. You always treat me like one of your family member. Thanks a lot for all the love and all the trust that you had in our company. So I wish you a very fruitful life hereafter, and hoping you keep reaching all your dreams. Hopefully, are coming true in the future. Thank you for giving your valuable time with us.
Yeah, even we also like the journey with longitude. Imran, Abhilash, and if I had any doubts, that I also used to approach you also. It was very nice. The journey was very nice. We are also happy for the journey. All the best.